Hi guys, I'm back with another one. Y'all been seeing me posting a lot of air guns, BB guns, airsoft guns. Man, I'm starting to really like these little guns right here. I've been playing with a lot of different stuff like that, Pump Masters and Crossmans and stuff. But dude, I don't know why I feel like I'm having so much fun playing with these guys right here, busting bottles, shooting stuff from a distance. Guys, I really like these. Red Ryder the Buck. Yeah, they cool. Yeah, guys. 300 feet. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, just something to go with my collection. I don't think your collection would be right if you don't have none of that. I like this too. It's something I just got recently. Crossman, this will be another video though. Yeah. Cool.